Beautiful state Gujarat. King Cho. This is the preface of the presentation, and these are the action buttons in which you can click and go to any specific slide. Introduction. Gujarat is a state on the western coast of India with a coastline of 1,600 kilometers, most of which lies on the Kathiawar Peninsula, and a population of 60.4 million. It is the fifth largest Indian state by area and the ninth largest state by population. It's bordered by Rajasthan to the northeast, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu to the south, Maharashtra to the southeast, Madhya Pradesh to the east, and the Arabian Sea and the Pakistani province of Sindh to the west. Its capital city is Gandhinagar, while its largest city is Ahmedabad. The state traditionally has low unemployment and is widely considered one of the most industrially developed cities of India and a manufacturing hub. Best historical places in Gujarat. Gujarat is home to numerous historical sites that will surely make you explore the deepest root of this place. The following are the most visited historical places in Gujarat. Lakshmi Vilas Palace, the residence of Baroda's royal family. Dwarkadish Temple, Hindu pilgrimage. Dholavira, heritage site. Vijay Vilas Palace, the royal family of Kutch. Sun Temple, marvel of Chalukya dynasty. Somnath Temple, the prominent Jyotirlinga. C.V. Sayyed Mosque, stunning Sadarat structure. Old Fort of Surat, back to Tughlaq dynasty. And Rani Ki Vav, a massive step well. Some tourist places in Gujarat. Gir National Park, Sabarmati Ashram, Ranthambore National Park and Champanar Pawargad Archaeological Park. Food of Gujarat. Khandvi, Gujarati Samosa, Dokla, Methi ka thepla, Basandi, Fada Nilakshi. Cultural heritage of Gujarat. Gujarat is a flourishing state with cultural diversity. It is vibrant with its true colors of rich heritage and cultural traditions dating back to history with the Harappan civilization. The state becomes a confluence of many religions: Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism and Islam. Here are some videos related to culture and heritage of Gujarat. Some dance forms of Gujarat. Since Gujarati people are quite enthusiastic and amiable, they have many traditional forms of dance. The four major forms of dance are Dandiya Ras, Garba, Padhar and Garbi. Dandiya Ras is performed by both men and women and utilizes the movement of bamboo sticks known as Dandiyas, which is done in Navratri. Tourism and airports in Gujarat. Gujarat is the one and only place to view pure Asiatic lions in the world. During the Sultanate rule, Hindu craftsmanship mixed with Islamic architecture, giving rise to the Indo-Sassanic style. Many structures in the state are built in this fashion. It is also the birthplace of Srimad Rajchandran, Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the iconic figures of India's independence movement. The Amitabh Bachchan is currently the brand ambassador of Gujarat tourism. The Khushbu Gujarati campaign by celebrity Amitabh Bachchan has increased in Gujarat by 40% per annum, twice that of national growth rate. Ahmedabad, with its central location and a well-connected international airport, is considered to be an ideal hub to cover all the destinations in Gujarat. Airports in Gujarat are Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Surat, Rajkot, Jamnagar, Bhavnagar, Porbandar, Kandla and Bhuj. Ahmedabad is having domestic and international direct flights. Connectivity. Also, Ahmedabad is convenient to travel across Gujarat cities. Hotels in Gujarat: Lemon Tree Hotel, Taj Skyline Hotel, Radisson Hotel, and Surat Marriott Hotel. Some popular cities in Gujarat: Ahmedabad, Manchester of India; Vadodara, City of Arts; Surat, City of Diamonds or Silk City; Rajkot, City of Paintings; Gandhinagar, Green City and capital of Gujarat. Some Gujarati billionaire names are like this: Mukesh Ambani, Pankaj Patel, Karsan Bhai Patel, Gautam Adani, Bhardesh Shah, Sameer and Sudhir Mehta. Statue of Unity and Sri Narendra Modi. A Statue of Unity is a colossal statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 1875 to 1950. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue with a height of 182 meters, 597 feet. It was designed by Indian sculptor V. Ram Sudar and it was inaugurated by our Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018, the 143rd anniversary of Patel's birth. In recent years, Statue of Unity has emerged as a major tourist spot of Gujarat. Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi also belongs from Gujarat.